In today's video, we are going to show you how to pre-move in chess.com using the mobile app. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open the chess.com on your mobile app. And I want you to tap the three horizontal lines on the bottom right corner because this gives you more options to choose from, and I want you to click the settings. Scroll down until you find the play, and then from here, I want you to click the live games. As you may notice, all I have to do is to enable the pre-move on chess.com that will let you cue your moves during your opponent's turn. All I have to do is click on it. You have two options here. Number one is the multiple pre-move. That means you can make multiple legal moves during your opponent's turn and they will automatically be played in order. Okay, you can cancel pre-moves by tapping any empty opponent square or by tapping the back arrow on the move history. Now, if you choose the single, you can make one legal move during your opponent's turn and your next move will be played automatically. And again, similar to multiple, you can cancel pre-moves by tapping any empty opponent square or by tapping the back arrow in the move history. We're going to choose the first option because it is highly recommended. And then I want you to go to the play button and try to play a game. Now, remember, during your opponent's turns, with pre-moves enabled, you can simply drag a piece to its square, the move highlights in red, it plays instantly when it's your turn, even for multiple queued moves up to 5, but multi-pre-moves mainly on Android. Remember to cancel, tap the highlighted piece, illegal pre-moves auto-cancel if they expose check. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to pre-move in chess.com using your mobile app. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.